Hello and welcome to the farm. I am home in Pennsylvania for the week. Just helping my dad out with a couple of things. He just got done with lambing season and I kind of wanted to document the week and show you the farm. Enjoy feeding time at the zoo and all the sounds of the sheep dying. Isn't it just lovely? This is their reality of being a muscle meg and having to carry bags of grain. Shaky, shaky. Hi. Hi, nice puppy. Pig knows he's going for a ride. Hi. Good morning, Pig. Every day to keep the Kelpies in shape, we take them on a frolic. So they run about 3 miles round trip every day, and they love it. Pig, on the other hand, Piggy, Pig's not paying attention. That's besides the point. Pig likes to just be our riding dog, and he rides while the rest ride. So let's go. Sunday morning and I'm headed to my home church. It is always so sweet to go back and catch up with everyone, but also bittersweet when you live away because so much time and change happens in between when you go and visit. But anyway, I'm so happy to do that. Okay, we're gonna do a little fit check. So this jacket was my mom's. I think it's like 30 years old, but I wear it all the time. It's just soft and worn. And then this dress I got from the Spartina outlet, which is the brand that came off of Defusky Island in South Carolina, and I got a slamming deal on it. It is cotton and linen, and I just love it. It's been a really nice couple days. I'm sad to leave and a little tired. Let me tell you, sheep farming is hard work, but it was all good. Really enjoyed the fresh air and just getting to be where I grew up. So I'm hitting the road with a very packed full car. Got some stuff to take to Goodwill, and then I'm headed south.